6 kilometers to go, 5.5 or something, and I'm toast. Oh, I'm so toast. Alright, it is 7 o'clock in the morning now in Ottawa. It is snowing. It's minus 18 degrees. That's a good amount of snow here. And I'm on my way to this year's winter marathon, the Embrace Winter Run. It is super windy, but I'll take my bike and hope that I'll get there. Man, it is extremely windy today. There is very much snow. And let's see how this will go. My fingers are already freezing off. It's gonna be a fun day, I hope. But time too, because it's super windy. Look at this. Alright, then see you at the start line. Okay, I arrived at the museum right here. I have about 45 minutes to the race start. It's still snowing, winter wonderland here. There's a lot of wind. Here it's getting white. The plows are active right there. But this is going to be a tough race. But I'm looking forward to it for sure. Man, look at this.
Thank you.
Have a great race.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, I'm on my way to the starting line. It is 5 more minutes to go. I have about 200 meters to walk now. My watch is ready. I am not.
For logistics, a couple of simple things. You're gonna start here, you run up the hill, and then you do your 8 laps and you come back down the hill. So years ago, if you've done this race, many years ago, we used to make you go all the way up and all the way down 8 times. That's no longer the case. We've cut the elevation in half, right? So as you're running along,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job, Ludwig, buddy, way to go!
Alright, let's go. 42k to go. Here we are. Okay, this is the first kilometer. I'm getting pretty warm. With the tailwind right now, running around a 5-minute pace. My heart rate's a little bit high. I feel like I'm overdressed, but I think once we turn around, this will change. Thank you, folks. Thanks for being here. All right, now into the headwind. The snow is right in my face. 3 kilometers back. and it is cold. My beard's going to be freezing. I think I'm about half of the pack. A couple of more folks coming here. Keep going. Good job. Savage. You're almost at 5k. Almost the next turnaround. Almost completely snow-covered street here. This uphill was brutal. It doesn't look like much, but with the snow, the heavy headwind, and an uphill, I had like 170 heart rate and a 5:45 pace. It is tiring, and it's only the first loop out of 8. 5.5k down. Ooh. First loop done out of 8. Oh, nice and frozen. We are at 8.5 kilometer. Second loop, halfway through. Running with Daniel here. You're doing great, I hope. Running around a 5-minute pace. And trying to stay positive here, this strong headwind. Left or right, please. Thank you. Oh, it's not frozen this time. Excellent. All right, quick sit. That's good. Okay, I'm almost at 14k, 1/3 down. Half marathon on the road. It just started 2 minutes ago. I have 28 kilometers to go, and this is feeling hard now. Okay, how do I look? I can hardly see anything. It's getting worse. Wow, and this hill is killing me. I'm cold. 35k. 17 to go. Kilometers in, I'm so done. Got some big blisters in my right foot, and it hurts every step. slowly back and forth.
Congratulations, buddy.
That's good. I'm done.
Stomach's telling me like.
Ah.